What's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, coming at you with yet another wild market trading recap. Folks, I think at this point it's kind of obvious that the volatility has exploded. This is a day trader's dream. All right, if you're an active trader, this is paradise for you. These are the sessions, okay? These are the trading sessions that you live for, okay? Now in this video, folks, I'm going to do something very special for you, okay? I'm going to illustrate for you and show you how to break your bad habits, okay? Today you're going to call me Mr. Fix-It because I am going to hopefully try to fix your bad trading decisions. And I'm going to do that by trying to focus on two things that 90% of traders fail miserably at doing. Number one, qualifying your trade. And number two, managing your risk. You understand? And I'm going to be using these two beautiful textbook setups that printed on our system today. All right, folks, so let's get into it. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a chart of today's S&P 500, guys. You know this is the global benchmark. There are millions of traders who trade this specific symbol, the S&P 500. Okay, it's very liquid, it's very active, and this is one of the top 3 or top 5 symbols, I think, in the world. And what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart, all right, this green and red color band, folks, this is our proprietary volume indicator. All right, this thing has one job and one job only every single day, and that is to potentially identify for you the prevailing trend of the market. And there's only two choices, okay? If this color band is red, it's your clue that the market is trending down, and there's a higher probability than not that the market's going to go lower. And on the flip side, if the indicator changes color, as it did right here where I'm circling with my mouse, okay, it changed from red into green. All right, at this exact moment in time, what the indicator is telling you is that there is a greater chance than not that higher prices might be around the corner and that you should prepare accordingly. But why did I highlight and identify these two bars right over here, right? What is so special about these two signals right here, right? This short right over here and this beautiful long right over here. You guys go ahead and stare at the chart. If you've been a long-time subscriber to the channel, then the answer will immediately come to you, right? Because you're smart. Now on the flip side, if you have been fumbling and bumbling around with your garbage charts, your indicators, your Bollinger Bands, then what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to set you straight so that you never ever go back to your indicators. You understand? So first indulge me a little bit here while I clean up the chart a little bit. Okay, great. Now folks, this is your starting point, all right? Every day when you come to the market, you're simply looking for color changes. But that is not enough. Okay, now, so I'm going to show you right now how to qualify your trade. I hope what I show you right now is going to fix your bad habits, hopefully forever. Okay, let's look at this short right here first. All right, let's start off with the beautiful morning session here. Okay, so you can see how this band changes color to red. Okay, this is how the morning session started off, and it turned red right on this bar here. Okay, but folks, this is just your indication of a trend change. This is not your entry or your execution, all right? Or at least not the way that I like to do it, okay? What I like to do is I like to wait for the market to fall after the trend change. Give me a couple of red bars to start, and then give me a couple of green bars that retrace. You understand? And I want to finish this pattern here by one big fat red reversal bar that closes above the red. Okay, and that's it. That is literally from A to Z how to qualify your trade. Okay, now good luck trying to do what I just did here on your garbage charts, right? In fact, anybody who was using these garbage indicator Bollinger Band nonsense, you got your faces chopped off today, okay? So I don't want you guys to get smart. A lot of you guys watching this channel, I know that my audience is already smart. What I want you to do is become more self-aware, right, on what professional chart displays can do for you. Now let's talk about how to break your other bad habit, and that is managing your risk. Far too many of you guys are not using stop losses. Right? Stop losses are there for your protection. It's so that you take the small loss instead of taking the big loss. Okay, and these charts make them so simple. All right, the logical area on where to place your stop loss is just a couple of ticks or a couple of pips if you follow along in Forex above this bar's high. So your stop loss would go right over there. Okay, so let me summarize this for you guys. All right, volume indicator turns red right over here. We get a couple of red bars establishing the downtrend. Fantastic. Now I want to wait for the market to come up, meaning I want to wait for a couple of green bars that are going to draw in the amateur traders and the retail traders, because they don't know that the market's about to plunge, right? And then finally, folks, I want to wait for this perfect setup. Right? I want to wait for a nice big red reversal bar, flushing out all the retail traders, flushing out all the amateurs, and when this bar closes, boom, I like to look for a nice short. Okay, and as you can see, the market just takes an absolute dump for a quick 160 ticks. All right, now let's flip this example around. All right, now I want you guys to do it. Okay, you go ahead and stare at this chart and tell me if you can replicate the pattern this time on the long side on this indicator. Okay, folks, this does not have to be hard. This does not have to be complicated. I have literally shown you what I think, in my humble opinion, is the most powerful chart pattern on the planet. And in my opinion, I think these setups here, these perfect setups, show up all the time. You just got to know what to look for. You understand what I'm saying? So just to recap, in case you didn't understand why I qualified this particular bar here, well, let's take it back. Volume indicator turns green, right? I want to see the market now come up a little bit. Then I want to see a couple of red bars flushing out all the retail traders and all the amateurs. And then I'm waiting for this. Okay, a green bar against a green color band, and I want the bar to be underneath the color. That's my signal, right? I would potentially look to buy the market on the close of this bar. My stop loss would go just a couple of ticks underneath that, and you can see the market just takes off and the stop loss never got touched. So yeah, folks, it was just a beautiful way to end the week. Incredible sequence of back-to-back trades. One awesome short, one really nice long. Congrats to all my customers who were trading the vol today and you caught these two moves. Hope you crushed it. And I'm expecting these patterns to repeat themselves next week. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.